A new era of friendship has begun between Pakistan and Bangladesh. From Sada Zahir, a delegation comprising founder-chairman of Pakistan-Bangladesh Friendship and Cultural Foundation, Islamabad, Professor Abul Kalam Azad, Central Secretary-General Dr. Muhammad Rafiq, and Qari Abdul Rahim Rahimi, met with the High Commissioner of Bangladesh to Pakistan, Muhammad Iqbal Hussain. In the meeting, they discussed promoting the people-friendly agenda of both countries. According to details, Bangladesh High Commissioner Muhammad Iqbal Hussain Khan has come to Pakistan with the knowledge of friendship between the two countries.
Could you a little bit comment, please, regarding this weather situation between Pakistan and Bangladesh?
Actually, after July and August revolution in Bangladesh, the people of Bangladesh and the present government is looking forward to strengthen relations between Bangladesh and Pakistan. By this time, the visa regime between the both countries has become very people-friendly. Now, Pakistan issued visa to Bangladeshi citizen online and within 48 hours. When Bangladesh, we are also issuing visa to Pakistani brothers within 3 days. So now it's a very good relation is going on. Trade and business is also increasing, and high-level visits is taking place. And both sides are working together to take this relation to more heights.
Yeah. Well, you mean now the Bangladesh government prefer to Pakistan instead of India? You can say like this?
Actually, Bangladesh is a country with the highest density of populations. So, to ensure welfare of the peoples, we are looking for balanced relations with all major economy and also the friendly and brotherly countries without any discriminations. But that friendship depends on the treatment from both sides. It cannot take place unilaterally. So the countries who are interested to have good relations with Bangladesh, we are always reciprocate with the same spirit. So Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, then Afghanistan, we have almost 8 countries in the South region. Bangladesh always advocates strengthening the South, and under the South umbrella, we want to have a common prosperity of all these South Asian countries. So we are equally interested to strengthen and make a more connectivity with all these countries.
Okay. Thank you. Any message for Bangladeshi people who are living over here since 20 years or 40 years, and especially let's say for them?
Actually, I just tell you that the people who have already become a Pakistani citizen, so they are treated and get the facilities from the Pakistan government as per their law. But the people who are Bangladeshi and having Bangladeshi passports and they are living here, fighting those regulations of these countries, it's the duty of the high commissions to promote welfare affairs of the Bangladeshi community. So we always in service to them, services.
Thank you, sir.
So, what do you say about the Pakistani people, those who are adjusted in the Bangladesh, as they over a lot of industry moved in the Bangladesh, and you are facilitate them? What do you say about the Pakistani people who are interested in a Bangladesh to do a business?
Yes, Bangladesh and Pakistan both are brotherly countries. We love each other. We have very strong relations, historic relations, cultural relations are very strong. In the past, for 10 and 15 years, the relation between so strong, or I mean, this not so warm. But now, after July and August revolutions in Bangladesh, so relations is now strengthening day by day, and now the business and investment from both sides, people are exploring and traveling each other's health tourism taking place, and Bangladesh importing rice and other products from here, and lot of opportunity between the two countries prevailing. And we are confident that in the coming days, the situation will be better.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.